everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Creations 1. Today we are going to be hiding the threads on these dog booties I made. And we're going to start that in just a moment. Hi everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Creations 1. Today we are going to be working on hiding the threads on these dog booties I made. I'll put a link in the description for how to make these dog booties. These are my small dog booties. And I always have lots of very interesting things in my description, all kinds of stuff. So be sure to check it out. Okay, so first you're going to turn your project wrong side out. And then I take my darning needle or my yarn needle or whatever you want to call it. It's basically just a crafting needle. So what I do is I look to see where my yarn is coming out. It's coming out this way. So I'm just going to pick up some stitches. And I'm only picking up the back loops. So here we go. Now, so I'm coming out here. What I want to do is I want to go a bit behind it, and then I want to go past it. And that's called a back stitch. And I'm just going to do that a few times. And this really anchors that yarn. Now make sure you're not going through to the front of your work though. You just want to catch these back loops. And you do it a few times. And then you cut your yarn, and your yarn is super anchored. There you go. And that's all there is to it, guys. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and thanks so much for watching. Do check that description. I put all kinds of neat stuff. Have a great day. Bye now.